coming at you this week with a tip and I guess a little bit of info around cauliflower crust. Have you guys heard the term, if cauliflower can become pizza, you can become anything? Good one, right? But seriously, cauliflower is so versatile. We can turn it into rice, we can turn it into pizza crusts and all kinds of really awesome things. And what's cool about that is there is a higher demand for it, and now we're seeing these things available on the market. So it's less labor intensive for us in the kitchen, which is pretty cool. We have an awesome recipe for cauliflower crust to use as a pizza shell, but like I said, it's really labor intensive. So you can find these a lot of times in your freezer section. This one's from Trader Joe's. I know you can find them in most supermarkets. Oh my goodness, the volume. So what I love about this one particularly is the ingredient profile. So we're always looking at the list of ingredients. Sure, the nutrition facts are important when we're looking at food. Prepared foods like this, processed prepared foods. But the ingredient list is what is the most important thing. This one has 6 ingredients and they're pretty simple. Cauliflower, corn flour, water, cornstarch, potato starch. Those are the binders that are sort of in lieu of flour. And olive oil and salt. Super simple, and this works really well. So check your freezer section at your local grocery store. Again, Trader Joe's if you have one. If not, most grocers are going to carry in their freezer section a cauliflower crust of any kind. Give it a try and let us know what your favorite one is.